Flex your feet. Then reach the fingertips up high and then think up and over as if you're draping your belly over your thighs as you come into this modified seated forward fold. Allow the weight of the head to rest down. Allow the hands to rest wherever they fall. So that could be shins, calves, ankles, feet. Maybe you give your feet a squeeze if your hands reach that far. Allow the head to rest. Feeling that deep stretch in the low back with your breath, and only with conscious breath will we maybe begin to straighten the legs more towards a traditional Paschimottanasana, but don't push it. Just breathe, feel it out. One more breath. Legs out in front of you. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, dig into your heels and lift your knees to bend them like so. And trace a line with the fingertips. Come all the way forward. Come to all fours. From here, we're going to shift the feet to one side, any side. Come to a seat. Send your